Hello friends, in this video I will show you best official Microsoft app to boost, repair and clean Windows PC or laptop. So firstly open any web browser. Now here type so type here pcmanager.microsoft.com, this URL. Now here just click on download and install. This will work in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So download and install. Once you successfully install, click here on PC Manager. So here you will see these all options you can boost in just one click. You can check your PC's error and problems. You can manage storage. You can clean some unwanted files and you can delete them easily. You can see the processor manager. You can end and boost your Windows speed. So very useful feature. These all features are related to cleanup and security. You can check your Windows update, browser protection, pop-up management, and also you guys you can scan. Wait for a few minutes till this scanning process will complete. So this is the official Microsoft application to manage your PC. So that's the reason name for this application is PC Manager. So in this tool you can clean up and boost up your Windows system. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.